Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Neek Lynn, and this is the place where braiders can turn to learn how to take their braiding skills and turn it into business success. And on my channel, you can find different type of tutorials like knotless braids, feed-in braids, some men's braids, and in today's video, we're actually going to be doing some crochet. And you can also look forward to some braiding business videos because it's very important to not only know how to improve your skill level, but also how to improve your business skills. So if that's something that you struggle with, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss an upload. So my client for today is actually my cousin Danny, and as you just saw, I just blew her hair out just to get it prepared for this crochet install. And being that she had just recently cut her locks, she really wasn't even sure if her hair was long enough for the crochet. So I highly suggest that when you're dealing with shorter hair, just give it a blowout, a quick blowout, just to kind of see if there's any additional stretch that's there. And oftentimes there is. So I said, you know what, let's just go ahead and try. I don't think I'll have an issue catching your hair at this length. And here's just a few things just to keep in mind when it comes to doing your crochet, and that is that the base of the style does matter. You are laying down the foundation for the rest of this style, and I know that some may feel that, you know, because it's a crochet and the braids are going to be covered up, that you don't have to put a lot of effort into it, but I just find that when you do a nice, neat foundation, the style lasts a lot longer, and a lot of my crochet clients get easily 4 to 6 weeks, sometimes, you know, even 7 weeks. Some push it even a little bit longer, but they are able to get a decent amount of time with their crochet installs. Another thing I like to focus on when it comes to my crochet installs is that instead of leaving the part straight, I like to zigzag the part. I believe that it does cause for an illusion to be created at the hairline, and because I don't do like the individual crochet locks, I still like to make sure that from the hairline perspective, it can possibly pass as it being done individually. And you can achieve this by just zigzagging the part. I really do believe that it does give off that individual look. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you enjoy the rest of this video. I'm pretty much gonna take you through braid by braid of this foundation, and then of course make sure that you keep watching so that you could see the actual install itself. If you need a more in-depth tutorial, I'll leave a link here in the right-hand corner that you can check out some of my other crochet videos. And if you have any questions on this, please go ahead and leave it in the comments. And of course, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of my uploads. So as always, God bless and enjoy the rest of the video.